Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the channel Rooftop Botanist. So this is my first tomato plant that I am growing for 1 month and a week. So this is the condition. This is like 2 feet tall, and the water condition is from the past 3 to 4 days it was actually raining heavily, so all the fertilizer is gone. So the plant is like a little bit down now, but right now the sun is up, the sky is clear, and the sun is up very high, so it is very good temperature condition right now. But I have not watered it today because I want to see what the dry condition can do to the plant. So as you can see, the water is not there, the soil is actually white. Yes, and I can see that there is a lot of flowering happening. So this is one, two, 3 and 4 bunch of flower is there, 4 inflorescence is there, and I'll keep you updated for the future conditions because the flower is blooming actually 3 to 4 days earlier. I think most have fertilizer is happening, and you can see some fruits in the recent future. So I'll keep you updated. You can stay here for more updates. You can see the leaves are actually getting infected by something. I don't know what to do with it. If you know about it, you can give me an update and I will be giving you the results. So let's see. 1, 2 or 2, 3 volt leaves are gone. I don't know why. Maybe it is getting old, that's why. And there is the flowers, beautiful flowers. So I will keep you updated in the next video. If you want to be updated, please give it a subscribe and stay tuned for the next update. Thank you and welcome to you all.